How to log into your Lifesum account step by step. Here, the very first thing you want to do is simply get the Lifesum application on your phone using your App Store or Play Store, or you can actually visit the lifesum.com, and then from here you can simply tap on the login button on the top right where you'll get into the login page. So after doing that, if you are on the application, you'll actually be able to get that login button on the very first or the beginning of the application. So simply tap on login, and then you'll be able to get into login page where you can simply log in using any of those platforms. If you have created your account using any of the platform like your Facebook ID, your Apple ID, or your Google ID, or if you have created your account manually, you can simply tap on the option sign in with email, and once you do that, all you need to do is add in your email address and the password of your account. Once you add in both the credentials of your account, you can simply tap on login, and just like that, you will successfully be able to log into your Lifesum account like that.